We're about ready to go back and demonstrate the router. Once again, when we go back to use the router, we need to make sure we follow all safety rules at all times. That includes the general safety test that we did and the miscellaneous safety test that we did at the beginning of the rotation. Once again, we need to remember the ABCs of safety, always being careful. So the first thing I need to do, put on my safety glasses. The router is the noisiest thing we have back there. So once again, you have optional headphones. You simply put them over your ears so you don't end up deaf like me if you're not using them. Take them off, put them around your neck. At the end of class, make sure you hang them back up.
Students should make sure that sleeves are pulled up, shirt is tucked in, and coat or jacket is taken off. And anybody with long hair ties it back. Make sure all dust collection is on and blast gates are open. Now notice that my dust collector is a little tall. Right over here, there's a power cube right there that will also turn the dust collector on. Now from here, we only want the router blast gates open. So right now we need to close the electric sander blast gates. Now we have the wall dust collector on, but when we use the router, we need to turn the shop vac on to collect dust as well. So right here, the shop vac with the R on it, we turn that on. Make sure that your name is facing up the entire time. Now we have our material up against the fence. Make sure your material is not touching the router bit before you turn the router on. Start with the ingrained sides first. So right here and here. Short sides. Do 2 passes per side. So once again, start with the ingrained sides first, the short sides, right here. Keep material moving quickly from right to left with even pressure when pushing through the router. So we're going to be here, even pressure. All right, so going back, if you want, you can do 1/1000. Make sure it's nice and smooth, even pressure. Don't go too slow, otherwise you will burn the router bit, and also you will burn the material. When finished, absolutely make sure the router is powered off and watch the bit come to a complete stop before you walk away. All right, also notice how I kept my fingers behind this orange line because orange means danger. So we want our fingers to be behind the orange line when we're doing the router. When finished, use a dust broom or shop vac to clean up mess.